Have you ever wondered, how do I do a 360 photo shoot of furniture, especially large pieces? The answer is pretty simple. You need a big turntable. What's a big turntable? It's this. Okay, it's not just that. There's more. Oh my gosh, look at that thing. Whoa, what's that? Oh, are those wings? Wow, that looks really easy. No tools needed. You gotta be kidding me. Okay, that looks like a lot of weight. There's no way you can turn. Oh my god, he turned it. Okay, now you're just showing off, using one hand to turn that whole thing.
Honey.